this song, Key to the City by the group Sorry. We're playing in standard tuning. I believe they're using a drop C tuning. But, these are the chords if you were to play it in standard tuning. We're just doing like arpeggios where we're kind of raking the strings. That's F minor. C minor. G minor. And then the fourth chord is B flat. It's a major. The other three are minor. That's 75% of the song. And then there's like a so that's F minor, C minor, then we go E flat major, and then go back to C minor. Thanks for watching. Bye.